Thank you. Thank you for joining me today. Welcome to my humble abode. Today we're going to talk about adding and decomposing mixed numbers. First of all, how many fourths are in 3 3/4? Who knows? That's right, none of you. No, I'm just kidding. Laugh at my joke. All right. How many fourths are in 3 3/4? Let's prove it with an equation and a picture. Well, you know what tells us how many fourths is in 3 3/4. It is an improper fraction. It tells us exactly how many fourths are there. So what do? We multiply and then we add, right? 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Denominator stays the same. How many fourths are in 3 3/4? 15 fourths, okay? But can we prove it with a picture? Sure we can, right? 1, 2, 3. I'm drawing 4 boxes. I'm going to cut them up into fourths because that's our denominator. Denominator stays the same. Look, this whole thing's colored in. That's one hole. This whole box is colored in. That's one hole. This whole box is colored in. That's one hole. This whole box, we can color in the whole thing? Are we? No. Of course not! Alright, we're going to color in 3/4. So here we have 3/4. So I got 1, 2, 3 3/4. That's the same number I put up there, right? Each one of these little boxes is what? 1/4! Let's count the fourths. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, 9/4, 10/4, 11/4, 12/4, 13/4, 14/4, 15/4, right? Same thing we did up here, and now we have a picture to prove it. Very good, very good, very good. All right, let's solve. Let's solve some problems. I got 3 3/8 plus 4 2/8. What do? I add the whole numbers. 3 and 4 is 7. I add the numerators. 3 and 2 is 5. The denominator stays the same. Oh, you know it! Denominator stays the same. Over here, I've got 2 and 1/9 plus 7 and 8/9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 8 plus 1, the numerators, is 9. Denominator stays the same. That's 9. I've got 9 and 9/9, but wait a minute. I've got 9. Yep, I've got 9. 9/9 is one whole. How many do I have? I got 10. Over here, let's check this out. 12 plus 12 and 1/3 plus 17 and 1/3. Here's what's funny about that. I've used green the whole way. Now I'm going to use a blue marker. 12 plus 17 is 29. 1 plus 1 is 2. The denominator stays the same. Nothing funny about that.
Enough funny business.
All right, use the ruler to solve 3 3/8 plus 2 and 1/4. Okay? First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over 3 whole, right? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go over 3/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. So look, I'm at 3 3/8. Aren't I a genius? All right, now I'm going to go over 2 and 1/4. 1/4? What's that in eighths? Well, it's 2/8. You know that, right? Go over 1/8, 2/8, or 1/4, same thing. And I've got to go over 2 more. Where am I at? I'm at 3 and at 3/8, 4/8. I'm at 3 and 5/8. And now I have to go over 2 more whole numbers. I didn't think it through. There's not enough inches on the ruler. But we know that 3 and 5/8 plus 2 more whole numbers would give you 5 and 5/8. Here's what I'd like you to do. Use your ruler to solve. I'm out of breath. 4 and 1/8 minus 1 and 1/2. I want you to bring that to me tomorrow. Pause it, rewind it, do what you got to do. All right? That's the problem I'd like for you to solve tomorrow. You're welcome. Ah, they love me. They love me.